Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo, Japanese everyday food. Hello friends, I'm back. Today I want to share with you how to make okonomiyaki with easy to find ingredients. This type of okonomiyaki is more common in Hiroshima. In Osaka, we call it modan yaki or Hiroshima yaki. In Osaka, mixing all the ingredients together, as I have shown in the previous video. In Hiroshima, ingredients are all layered. The ingredients are slightly different from Osaka. The good news is you don't need to find Yamaimo Japanese yam. I think each ingredient is easy to find in your local grocery store. In this video, I am making okonomiyaki without any of difficult to find ingredients. Let's get started. Pass through a sieve your apricot jam if it's chunky. The reason why I use apricot jam is when you take a look at the ingredients list on the package, fruit is in the higher position, which means okonomiyaki sauce contains a certain amount of fruit. Now let's prepare the okonomiyaki batter. Put your flour into a small bowl, add a pinch of salt. Add 1/3 of water and mix to combine. Add the rest of the water in 2 times and mix well each time. In this mixing method, there will be no lumps at the end. Set aside. Now, let's prepare the other ingredients. Slice the cabbage thinly. Wash the bean sprout and cut the green onion into thin slices. Set aside. Now let's assemble. Heat the electric griddle to 200 degrees Celsius beforehand. Mix the batter to make it even, then ladle over the pan. Leave 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter for later use. Spread by using the back of the ladle to 20 cm in diameter. Pile up shredded cabbage and bean sprouts, tenkasu, and more bean sprouts. Sprinkle saved butter to bind them together. Meanwhile, start cooking yakisoba noodles. Add some vegetable oil and toss in the noodles. Break up the noodles and put the lid on and cook 3 minutes to cook through. Take out the lid, place sliced pork belly on top in single layer. Then flip it over. Collect the scattered cabbage and shape into a round. Put the lid on again and cook 3 more minutes. Take off the lid and season yakisoba noodles. The noodles should be nicely cooked with the steam from the cabbage. Season with tablespoon of okonomiyaki sauce. Shape into a round. Carefully layer the okonomiyaki onto yakisoba. Crack 2 eggs onto the griddle and shape into a round slightly bigger than the okonomiyaki. Then layer the okonomiyaki over it. We are almost there. Then flip it over for the last time. Shape into nice round. Spread the generous amount of okonomiyaki sauce. Sprinkle aonori seaweed and bonito flakes. And Japanese Kewpie mayo. For the finishing touch, pile up chopped green onion. There you have it. Lots of veggies are cooked and shrink between the thin layer. That makes the fluffy texture. And the chewy yakisoba noodles are so satisfying. You can substitute yakisoba noodles with thin pasta. This is a kind of 2 good things together. Tastes so good. And actually, okonomiyaki is quite healthy. Lots of veggies and protein and less carbs. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Click like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Any questions and future video requests, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!